Hey friends, I decided to make a video for you today. I'm gonna just be doing some sketching, I guess, and I'll be wearing my glasses. I'm just gonna do a quick little polish. So how'd they get so dirty? And I don't even touch the lenses, but they get dirty somehow. The window is open, so it might be a little bit noisy. So I live near a busy-ish street. Not the street I live on, but up a bit there's a highway. That's better. I'm also going to have some gum. This is true wintergreen gum. Week schedule, but it's already Tuesday. I don't know if I'll use them for this week. My shadow. It's really sunny. What would I like to draw today? I think I want to trace something. Big circle. What do I have? I don't have a big circle. I do. I do. This is like a big mug that's cracked, so I can't drink out of it anymore. very fine hairline crack all the way down it. It's a shame because it's so pretty. Yeah, it's noisy. Sorry about that. Most beautiful circle with it. Inside. I like to draw these kind of mountains. Big sunshine. Oops. Smudged. Oh well. It's a little bit messy, but oh well. This. Oh, there's a sun coming out in real life. So busy outside. So, this little drawing, I wanted to make a little thing that said something about gratefulness can change any mood. Because if you don't, well, maybe you don't know, but I have. Or maybe you know someone who experiences anxiety or depression, which more people are talking about these days. But I still, as someone with it, it's hard to talk about it because it feels like I feel bad, like I'm trying to get pity or something, but I'm really not. And sometimes what I'm feeling, I forget that it's I can't help it, and I'm a very, very positive person, and I don't I'm not a drama queen, but I really don't want people to think that. But I guess I just care too much about what people think sometimes, because I shouldn't care about what people think, because having depression and anxiety is something that isn't, it's real, I guess. I don't know. So, over the past several years, I have had lots of strategies to dealing with it, or some that really worked and some that really, really didn't. And recently I have some that really do work, and that's a lot of positive self-talking, or understanding and knowing what can change, what can pull you out, because sometimes it's this crazy thought spiral that it's impossible to escape, and you want someone to just come in and take you out of it, because it's so hard to even think about doing on your own. But I have to remember that it is something that I have to do by myself. I can't let somebody else lift me back out of it. And on my own, I have been on my own now for a while and been very good at it, and knowing myself really well, and knowing what I need and what I need to be a strong and very successful person. And to just have these days where I feel like nothing is weird and it's hard to talk about, and it's like I don't want to do anything, and for no reason. And that's kind of what it's not laziness or lethargy. Oh, I wish it was, because then it would be at least kind of funny. It's more like an emptiness. Like I can't find myself doing anything. But I need to remember these phrases and affirmations that help significantly, because they help to train sort of the subconscious mind. And if you can train the subconscious, it can change the way you think and the way you feel. So, one of those things is be grateful. Gratefulness can change any mood. So what am I thankful for? My world, my environment, my home, my opportunities, such as being a musician, competing in triathlons, my family and friends, my education, my body, my community, interactions with strangers, with people, with everyone. My country, my rights, where I live is incredible. Now I get to do exactly what I want to do with my life. Even though what gets me down, and this is something that's been contributing to feeling depressed recently, is money, because money sucks, and it sucks that it's what rules the world, and that I am a student, and that it doesn't, it's just a big stressor when you're a student. That I have, in the last year when things were going so well, I opted to not stress about finances because that was something that was just out of my control. I was going to invest in my education and use the time that I then had to really focus on that, on my learning. And because I was in a new city, to make new friends, I didn't want to be someone who was I don't know the word in English, but someone who held on to their money or didn't, said no to too many things because of pennies here and there. I really opted for a very open attitude and a very yes attitude, where I would say yes to everything. And with that attitude, I was able to make many friends and establish a community in this new space and have a positive effect on many people and find self-love. And I have been having trouble maintaining that yes, the feeling of yes all the time recently, because I'm off for the summer and suddenly I am very aware of money again, and there's a lot of outside pressure for me to have a job that is not what I want to be doing, and to no longer have the same sort of structure or time management to pursue my dreams like I was during the school year. Oh, truck. And so I need to have plans in place. Right now it's the summer, and employment opportunities are not what I thought they would be, but I'm grateful that I have some, and that I have time now. I have all this time, and I could be doing something really great, like practicing all the time, and that's been really hard to do with not being in school. But and because it's beautiful outside, I just kind of go outside all the time. I have an incredible tan, but I need to get my flute playing back, and I need to just be grateful that I can do it, and then just do it. There have been days that I just really wanted to play the flute, and then I just did that, and it felt great. And I can't just wait for that feeling to strike, though. I do have to practice and play the flute when I'm not feeling ideal, without forcing myself, but just like allowing myself to do it, and then not to put any pressure on the outcome. And that's something I should maybe do now instead of dilly-dallying, but this form of meditation and drawing and making a video for you is very important to me. And I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you understand what, maybe you're going through the same thing, and maybe this helps. Being grateful, because it makes me feel so much better, and I already feel so much better, and I know that the rest of my day is going to be beautiful no matter what. So, much love, and have a good one.